A jellyfish is a single, unisex animal with a jelly-like body and numerous tentacles. They are primitive creatures that have lived in the ocean for 600 million years and have no eyes, nose, ears, brain, or heart. It appears to swim in repetitive motions, but it's very weak, so it mostly just lets the current carry it along. Its main food is plankton and small fish. It grabs its prey with its tentacles, paralyzes it with its venomous sting, eats it in its mouth, and excretes it back into its mouth. Natural enemies include sunfish and sea turtles, which are said to be resistant to jellyfish venom, rendering stinging attacks ineffective. Jellyfish are prolific and ubiquitous in the ocean, making them an important part of the marine ecosystem. Jellyfish have a fluorescent protein in their bodies that gives them a mysterious glow. This protein is a valuable research material in the genetic engineering world. Thousands of jellyfish are caught off the coast of the United States each year and sent to laboratories. The jellyfish's venom is deadly to humans. Of all the sea creatures, jellyfish cause the most casualties. If a swarm of jellyfish shows up, the beach is immediately closed. Each jellyfish's venom varies in strength, with some causing little more than an itch, while others can sting and kill within 5 hours. Global warming and coastal pollution are driving subtropical jellyfish to South Korea's shores, and the country's fisheries industry has a lot to worry about. It may seem simple enough to catch them all and sell them as food, but out of hundreds of jellyfish species, only 4 are edible. The wild boar is a member of the large pig family, native to Europe, Asia, and Africa. The warthog, also known as the humpback boar, is native to the African continent and is the largest member of the boar family. Warthogs can stand anywhere from 60 centimeters to 1.5 meters at the shoulder and weigh up to 300 kilograms. The humpback boar is primarily covered in reddish-brown fur and has a scruffy appearance. They are particularly characterized by the sharp teeth on their skulls and their horn-like, protruding tusks. Their tusks can be used as tools for combat or to protect themselves. They also use their tusks to dig into the ground to find small animals and insects. Hog boars have a very nasty personality. They are sensitive, wary, and can exhibit threatening behavior to protect their territory. The humpback boar is basically an omnivore, eating mostly plant food, although it is also a carnivore. They forage underground by digging roots and burrows, and their diet includes nuts, berries, and vegetables. Warthogs are good swimmers and can dive for long periods of time, often covering themselves in mud to regulate their body temperature. Humpbacked boars live in groups. They socialize in groups of males and females and reproduce in groups. Young live with their mothers until they are 4 months old, then move on to live with other warthogs as they grow. The humpbacked warthog is one of the few animals that are suitable prey for carnivores. However, it is one of the animals that are protected to maintain the balance of the ecosystem. In particular, they are endangered by development and human industrialization. The humpbacked warthog was familiar to us for its unusual tusks and as Pumbaa from The Lion King.